Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a battery in a BMW key. So when you got into your car, you may have got this warning message on your BMW. Remote control replace battery. It's probably no surprise to you that that means that your BMW key fob battery is getting low and you better replace it before you get locked out. By the way, if your BMW key battery is dead, then don't worry, because at the end of this video I'll show you how to get into your car and start it, even with a completely discharged BMW key fob battery. Okay, so here's how to change a battery in a BMW key. So the first thing you need to do is retract the Keyblade. And to do this, you just flip over your BMW key fob and then you push that button at the same time as pulling the Keyblade out. Just like that. And now in the opposite side from where the blade came out, which is just this little gap here, we're just going to insert a small screwdriver behind the little tab that's in that gap. So hopefully you can just see the tab there, and what I'm going to do is just get on the back edge of it here with my screwdriver and then just lever against it, and that makes the back come off. And just to show you from the back cover exactly what's going on, I was getting behind the tab and then just levering outwards until the back cover comes off like that. The BMW key battery type for this particular remote control is a CR2450, which is actually quite a large battery size, larger than you'll find in most car remote controls. So as you can see, I bought a 2-pack of BMW key batteries, and that's because most people have 2 keys for their car, and if one of them's starting to go flat, then the other one probably won't be far behind, so it's probably worth doing both of them. These are only a few pounds or dollars from Amazon, so I'll put a link for these in the video description. So I'm just going to pop this out of the blister pack. So here we're just replacing the BMW key fob battery with a new one, and to remove the old battery all you have to do is get your screwdriver again just in this slot here, and that just makes it easier to remove that. And then just inserting our new battery, just make sure you get it under that edge first and make sure it's the right way up with the writing on the back. And then to replace the back cover on your BMW key, you just insert this edge first because it has a little tab on it, and then you just snap it into place. And then you replace your BMW Keyblade back into the body of the remote control. And then it's a good idea just to take that outside now and test it. Okay, so as promised, if your BMW key battery is dead, or the key fob battery is missing like on this one, then this is how you can get into the car and start it. We just released the Keyblade from the BMW key fob the same as we did earlier. And with the Keyblade released, we can use it to unlock the door. But when we open the door, the alarm's going to go off, so we need to be ready. Because the thing that we need to do is hold the key in this position here, and you can see these little white arrows on the plastic here. And then at the same time, push the start-stop button. And this should stop the alarm going off. And you can see this message here where it's saying engine will not start. But if we do the same thing again, so we hold the key fob in the same position and push the stop start button again, then this should start the engine. So hopefully this video helped you out, or maybe even it got you out of a pickle. And if it did, then please give me a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing for more car tips, and maybe I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.